Can you hear that? That's the iconic sound of your local ice cream truck making its way up the block.
How we doing? I've been serving the Garland community for about 10 years now. Whenever they hear the bells, they come running for the truck.
That's like the best part of summer is ice cream truck, right?
It's the nostalgia. The ice cream is like a symbol of America.
Unfortunately, the road is getting rocky for ice cream truck owners.
Because of the trucks being a little bit older, the maintenance is a big issue as well.
We love what we do and we love the people we serve.
But it gets expensive.
This summer, Jiffy Lube is helping with maintenance costs for ice cream trucks across the country.
Very excited. It saved us some money.
Yes.
So, we're partnering with Good Humor to help summer's automotive icons stay on the road, offering complimentary gift cards for qualifying vehicles.
Thank you, Jiffy Lube.
Thanks, Jiffy Lube.
Thank you so much, Jiffy Lube.
Want to keep summer rolling with us? Check out jiffylube.com to learn more.